Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This week is a very important week, as you may know, because the Munipals R15 9 train has released. Yes, that's right boys and girls, the 9 train has released alongside with the money train. But today's video focuses on the 9 train. These R15 9 trains came out last week, and today's video is an in-depth review and unboxing and test run of these 9 trains. So let's take a look at the 9 train. Let me open this one up right here. R15 Platinum Mist. Nostalgia Series. Same thing as always on the top. And let's take a moment to read a bit of the back. Do you know? The final run of the R15s was on December 10th, 1984. They were the first cars to have door controls inside of the motorman's cab, so the motorman did not have to climb up between the cars to activate the door controls. I did not know that. Very interesting. And you guys can pause to read if you like. This is the side of the box. Okay, now it's time to open this box up. Wow. $2025 code. That's interesting. Let me zoom in. There's a 100 EC125C. Never seen that before. And as you can see, 9 Broadway local. And why is there a scratch? It's literally only been a single minute since I opened that train. Let's take a look at the pamphlet that came. Looks new actually. 8 books of New York City station wall stickers. Whoa, this is new actually. This new bus. CTA, SEPTA. I haven't got those yet. Let me open it up. Whoa, this is actually new. Compared to the old pamphlet, this definitely is a beast. Look at this. Can't even fit on screen. Alright, let me just put that away. Let me put this away for the meanwhile. Now it's time to open our second 9 up. This one has some tape. The other one did not for some reason. Same thing as the other one. 9 train. Same code. I don't think there's any visible scratches on this. And the same pamphlet. Third 9 train we're going to look at. Finally, it's time for the last 9 train. Same code as the other ones, as you guys saw. Let's put them all side by side. Why does this one have a scratch on the door? But yeah, these are really nice trains. The only complaint I have with these trains is, as you saw, there's some scratches and like this right here on the door. And the reason why is because Munipals did not put an extra coat of paint on these trains. That is really concerning because a lot of young kids play with these trains and they will get damaged really quickly. So that's not good. I know they did that to cut costs, but that is not good. Okay, now it's time for the test run.
Meanwhile,
we'll do a compare and contrast between the R15 train and the R33 Redbird 7 train. So right off the bat, we see that the paint right here of these roll signs on 9, it's way bigger than the ones on the 7. Plus, the top of the train is bigger. I don't know if you can see. I don't think it is bigger though. I think they just shifted the paint more down to make more room for that. Another difference is obviously the years these trains were made in. 9, made in 2025. And the 7, made in 2019. Let's bring in the work train rider car for comparison. This was made in 2020. Let me couple it up with the 9 and the 7. Oh yeah, another difference is that the 9's magnets are the wrong way around. But I think that's the newer Munipals nowadays. Let me show you guys. It's the 9, the 7, they don't connect. Other side, and they do, which is very sad. But what can you do about it? So yeah, that concludes today's Meanwhile. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.